How to fix TikTok black screen problem. So if you're facing a problem with TikTok black screen, then first you need to open up your settings application. Open up your settings and first make sure your internet connection is stable. And once your internet connection is stable, you can go for your apps and notifications and then go for see all apps. And here you need to go and search for TikTok. And once you find your TikTok, tap on that and then go for storage and cache. And under your storage and cache, you will have clear cache option. Tap on clear cache, and after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, go back and then open up your Play Store or your App Store. Go for the search bar and search for TikTok. And once you've searched, here you will have the application. So instead of this open button on the right side, if you have an update option, then you can simply go for update, tap on that update and update your application. So if you have an update option and if you have not updated, then you might find some problems. Simply update it, and after updating, you can simply restart your device. Tap and hold on to that power button, and then here you will have restart option. Tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can tap and hold on to that TikTok application and then go for app info, and under app info you will have uninstall option. Tap on uninstall and tap on OK, and after uninstalling the application you can again install it from your App Store or your Play Store, and then you can log back into your account and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.